Encountered a .bp file with the unusual exclamation mark prefix. This is typically a backup placeholder file from specialized software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these backup placeholder files work. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective BP file solution for the tough cases near the end. BP files are backup placeholder files, used by various backup applications to mark files in backup processes or maintain references to backed up content. The leading exclamation mark ensures alphabetical sorting position, making these files easily identifiable in directory listings during backup operations. BP files typically use simple formats containing reference data, backup metadata, or placeholder information rather than substantial content. The structure depends on the originating backup software, but is typically lightweight, focusing on reference and tracking rather than data storage. The designated application for the BP file is Notepad from Microsoft. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows cannot explore backup archives, so extraction depends on compatible backup utilities. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your Syscan BP file and select Open With. If Notepad is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If your BP file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Errors with the BP format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, opening as text. Open the BP file in Notepad or any text editor to examine its contents. The simple structure typically reveals backup references, metadata, or placeholder information, helping identify the originating backup application. This examination clarifies the file's purpose within its backup system. Next, investigating source. Check where the .bp file came from to identify the originating backup software. Various backup applications create these placeholder files for tracking purposes. Determining the source helps in understanding whether the file is needed or can be safely removed. Finally, cleaning up. Orphaned. BP files without their originating backup software can typically be deleted safely. These placeholder files generally don't contain critical data. However, verify with the backup software documentation before deletion to ensure they are not required for backup integrity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.